Hello YouTubers, so basically showing you how to fix the HS6000 Samsung headphones. I have some sort of workaround fix. So yeah, sorry for that. I don't know if it's very clear though. So on, off. So what I've done is adjust a plastic cap from a hairspray or whatever. Basically the cap from this, it's supposed to fit in here. And this is the stuff, I don't know, it's probably can look different. And this is how the plastic thing somewhat initially looked like. These are the parts that remain. Wait, not all of it, but so this was the plastic cap that came on the top of the spray. And this is what I've done. I cut the plastic cap. That's what I'll show you. The square or whatever it is, which should be this part. I've cut it, and then you see the back, which would be this one, should be the back. I've thinned it so it could fit into this hole, and then the other side I made a cut in it so you can fit the contact, the switch inside it, and then I melted on with a bit with the soldering iron. Basically this is the sketch, this is how I've done it, and this is probably how you should do it. This back, which is back, front is this part, and side yeah, side is probably, this is the side and this is the back. So where I'm pointing, this is the back, and this is the side where I'm covering now, and the front is this one. So front, back, side, middle should be side views. So this is what how I've cut it and how I made it work. Also, as a note, when you're starting this, unsolder the pins. Here you have the red one and the black one is right next to it. Unfortunately, I didn't do this, and now I'm supposed to find where does the red one goes. On this one they seem so yeah, and as an advice I would suggest unsoldering these from here, as it might be easier to put them back on rather than leaving it and somehow adjusting it with the headphone, yeah, with the speaker attached to it. So have fun doing this. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me, and thank you for watching. Cheers, bye.